Hi, I'm Peter, and this is going to be a very short video about old cars' biggest enemy. Teenage boys with fresh licenses. Just kidding, it's rust. I'm selling my Volvo V70 this week, and the next owner asked me to do some stuff on it. And one of them was the tailgate sealing removal. These cars have a weird useless sealing under the tailgate window. I think it has only aesthetical reasons. But it's also really good if your hobby is collecting dust, water, mud and growing rust under it. I'm going to show you how to remove this sealing. Don't forget to subscribe. You should consider removing it, because if you don't, there is a really high chance that it's going to look like this with time. And then you can throw it out and get a used, good condition one. Or fix your own tailgate. Both cost money. But this doesn't. You just need a heat gun, a tiny plier or forceps, and a lot of patience. The whole thing takes about 30 minutes. First, you need to heat up the whole thing evenly and then try to pull it out slowly. The more you can pull it out in one piece, the less work you have later. Then get the plier, heat it up and get it out. Heat it up and get it out. Heat it up and get it out until you are happy with the result. And that's my end result. I'm happy with it. And the next proud owner is also happy with it. Thanks for watching. If you have a Volvo V70 or 850 Estate, you should consider doing this 30 minutes job. If you would like to support my work, like, subscribe and check the things I sell all over the internet. There are 3D models on Cards 3D, car-themed merch on Redbubble, and 3D printed products on eBay. Everything is in the description. See you around!